club is like heart of Litmus 7. How a heart functions in a human body, it gives life to all parts of a human body. The club system gives life to the entire Litmus 7 organization. Litmus 7 is unique in many ways, and it has a specific DNA which enables customer success and organizational growth. Many years we have thought to capture this essence and preserve it as we grow, and the result is Club System. Club System gives every Litmus 7/8 an opportunity to discover himself. Many times, doing the work alone is not enough. It is how you do it. What's your attitude behind that? Litmus 7 is found on 4 core values, and we try to preserve it always. We try to preserve as we grow. Club System gives a portrait, and it enables you to see where you stand with respect to all these core values. So it not only gives you a portrait, it gives you an opportunity to improve continuously. It's not that you know where you stand at the end of the year. Every time, continuously you know where you stand with respect to these core values, with respect to the parameters, and there is a scope for continuous improvement. In short, the club system enables growth for the customer, for the organization, and yourself.